Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be discussing some of the top print-on-demand trends that you should be aware of in 2023. First and foremost, one trend that we're seeing a lot of is the increasing popularity of personalized products. Customers love the idea of being able to customize their purchases, whether it's by adding their own text or photos or choosing from a range of pre-designed options. This trend is particularly popular in the fashion and home decor industries, but it's also making its way into other product categories as well. Another trend that we're seeing a lot of is the rise of sustainable and eco-friendly materials. With more and more consumers becoming environmentally conscious, there's a growing demand for products that are made from sustainable materials or produced in an eco-friendly way. Overall, the print-on-demand industry is growing rapidly and is expected to continue to do so in the coming years. The increasing popularity of e-commerce, social media, and dropshipping, along with advances in technology, are all contributing to this growth. It's an exciting time for the industry, and we're looking forward to seeing what the future holds. A third trend that we're seeing is the use of artificial intelligence and machine learning in the print-on-demand process. These technologies are being used to automate tasks such as design and product recommendations, making the process more efficient and personalized for customers. One trend that we're seeing in the print-on-demand industry is the use of AI algorithms to generate unique and one-of-a-kind artwork. For example, one company is using AI to create stunning abstract designs that are inspired by nature and the human form. These designs can be printed on a variety of products, such as t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases, and offer customers the opportunity to own a truly unique and personalized item. This trend is helping to drive the growth of the print-on-demand industry, and we can't wait to see what other amazing AI-generated designs will be created in the future. Finally, we're also seeing a trend towards greater collaboration and partnerships within the print-on-demand industry. Many companies are partnering with influencers, artists, and other creatives to develop exclusive product lines and expand their reach. One trend that has been driving the growth of the print-on-demand industry is the rise of e-commerce and online shopping. With more and more people shopping online, the demand for on-demand printing and fulfillment services has increased. This trend is likely to continue in the coming years as e-commerce continues to grow. Another factor contributing to the growth of the print-on-demand industry is the increasing use of social media and other digital platforms for marketing and sales. Many businesses are using platforms like Instagram and Facebook to reach potential customers and promote their products. This trend is making it easier for small businesses and independent creators to get their products in front of a larger audience. The print-on-demand industry is also being driven by the increasing popularity of dropshipping. This business model allows businesses to offer a wide range of products without having to hold any inventory themselves. Instead, products are printed and shipped directly to the customer by the print-on-demand company. This makes it easier for businesses to scale and expand their product offerings without having to invest in large amounts of inventory upfront. In addition to these trends, the print-on-demand industry is also being impacted by advances in technology, such as the increasing capabilities of 3D printing and the development of new materials and printing techniques. These technologies are making it possible to produce a wider range of products on demand, including customized and personalized items.